Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to download images from URL in Node.js application using a module called as Node Downloader Helper. This is a specific module solving a specific problem if you want to download images from a URL in your Node.js application. So I will be downloading this image here from this URL. This is my website and it contains the image. So this is a URL of the image. I need to download it from the URL. So I will be downloading this module. So the command is very simple, npm I node downloader helper. So just create a node project and execute this command, which is let me just show you the command, which is npm install node downloader helper. So just install this, and I have already done that, so I will be deleting that, and I will be starting my server. I am running nodemon, so I will be executing this npm start command to start my nodemon server. So here you will see that it has generated this file screenshot 71, but I will be showing you from scratch how to do this. So let me just first of all import this module. So this module name is require node downloader helper. So we are successfully requiring this, but we only want some things from this module, which is downloader helper class. So inside double curly brackets we can just name this class here. We can just extract the contents, which is downloader helper. Now we just need to make a variable which will be DL stands for download, and we will be invoking a new instance of this class, which is downloader helper. And here we will pass the full path of the file here. This is the PNG image that I need to download, and I will be passing the second option, where is the path. I will be storing it in the root directory, so I will be passing my directory name, which is stored in this constant, which is dir name. That's it. And now we just need to start our download. So we will start it by invoking this method of start. This is a library function, but we also need to listen on the event object also. So this is DL on. So when the download is completed, there is an event object which is there. So when it is completed, we can just print out a simple message on the screen. So you can just go to the documentation. This is a simple example which is given here. So when it is completed, this callback function will execute, and we can just console log on the screen that is download completed. So this is not mandatory, but I will highly prefer that you should write this code. That is, whenever the download is completed, we will notify that download is completed. Now you can see that is already running my server. So it is downloaded all these images. You can see that 4 images have been downloaded. Let me just run this server once again so that you can just see npm start. So it will download my image. You will see that. So you can see that image is downloaded, and you can see that download completed. A message is also popped in. So this is a very simple way in which you can just download images from the URL by using this module, which is node downloader helper. So thanks very much for watching this video.